Dankeschön. Good evening, Howard. And Dankeschön. Ja. I knew he was different in his sexuality. I went to his parties as a straight minority. Never seemed a threat to my masculinity. He only introduced me to a wider reality. As the years went by, we drifted apart. When I heard that he was gone, I felt the shadow cross my heart. But he's nobody's hero. Saves a drowning child, cures a wasted disease. Hero, lands a crippled airplane, solves great mysteries. Hero, not the handsome actor, plays a hero's role. Hero, not the glamour girl, love to sell her soul. Anybody's buying, nobody's hero. Know the girl, but I knew her family. All their lives were shattered in a nightmare of brutality. Tried to carry on, tried to bear the agony, tried to hold some faith in the goodness of humanity. As the years went by, we drifted apart. When I heard that she was gone, I felt the shadow cross my heart.